Hello guys, mayong hapon. Good afternoon. So already, daghan na kayo mga flags. Okay. We're gonna celebrate Independence Day. No, diba? Independence Day. Importante ka na holiday day, Independence Day. Okay, mauna yung pagkakuan na to. Nahimo ko na itang Pilipinas kung mahal. Diba? Wala. Ang Independence Day, of course, i-celebrate na nato. Pero hindi ka na sa Amerika na mag-fireworks. But, karon panahon na, mo na yung maggawas ng mga kuhan. Sa mga hotels, kita mga pagkaon ng Pilipino. Mga Independence Day buffet. I don't know nga. Well, nindot na. Pero I don't know, na ba mag-celebrate na, mag-pista ba ta? Nindot ang tanabot. Baka ito na mag-pista kita pag June 12 sa country. Although holiday lang na. Pero sa una mo na normally mga first week of classes na rin Independence Day mag-holiday ta. Mga nakasagaran ko bang klase mag-start mga June 13 yan ba, or after Independence Day. Diba? Pero parang kuhan ba na it would be great na di lang about flags na I see a lot of flags. Magawas na yung flag kay Independence Day. Although nindot sa na-doctrine na kasi nindot yun ang naadi ang Independence Day is during class time kay kuan ba para mahinumdum ang mga bata to the teachers unsa na ka-importante ng Independence Day, di ba? Away ng araw ng kalayaan. So maray kuan na to ba na nasya ko daghang flags ba. Well, it's nice to see na kanang mga flags meaning sa flag, and also to really ang lesson karon is to really say unsa ang Pilipinas, di ba? Are we united na? Are united for what? Are we behind our administration? Are we protecting our sovereignty, or some of us possibly we're kuan ba? Sinay mga tao na to nagpanggamit din by foreign powers, di ba, to advance their causes rather than to advance our causes. So dapat ikuan na to ba, ipa-remember na to sa mga Pilipino na unsa ka importante ang atong love for country, that we should not neglect, we shouldn't allow foreign powers to even take an inch, diba, from what's ours. So, diba, I mean, this West Philippine Sea ba, diba, na freedom we have to assert na unsa na sa Pilipinas ni, diba. That's June 12 is a date for us to remember our sovereignty in our country, diba, unsa ta, even our history. Walang na hopefully makuha na nato lang, especially the people working in government also, that money ato kan we're working for the Filipino people, we're working for this country. Even kato mga Filipinos abroad, di ba, it's a good day to remember, di ba, the country. You're representing the Philippines, you're somehow, di ba, you're working for the Philippines somehow. Pero of course, for our national athletes kana ba na to carry the Philippine flag, na we have to be proud, especially those mga ni-qualify sa Olympics, di ba? Kuhan ba na proud kayo mo na representing the flag, na when the flag calls unta to all our athletes, not only our soldiers, when the flag calls, dapat, di ba, we're ready to give ourselves to represent, di ba, the country. Unfortunately, we lost a lot of great talents to other countries na ba na because they choose to compete to other countries. But mamong ilang iingon ba, no matter if the nang flags Pilipinas ingida, they're always gonna be Filipino. Yeah, but that's sad hapon. That's a nice way of saying it. That's a diplomatic way of saying it. But still ba, we have the Yuka Saso recently won the US Women's Open in golf her second. She's the youngest player to win 2 US Open titles, Women's Open, sa golf. Unfortunately, this time, she's carrying the Japanese flag. So, maingan lang siya. Usahin noon siya, was a choice because, I don't know, Japan has a way of forcing their people ba na di pwede ma-dual citizen. No, di ba? Na you have to choose one when you reach 21. So, it was sad na we lost Yuka, di ba? Yuka had been our most decorated golfer. Marag siya gipang world class na to. Dapat ko na siya world. Parang top, even top 5, top 6 na rin. Pero if she was like becoming one, wala lang ito yung momentum pagka hapon niya. But yeah, she is half Filipino and it's sad na yun. Nawa na. But still, sige lang. Mauna, even if they're not flying the Philippine colors anymore, pero wala na usahay mo na. Sometimes our country daghan kuan ba, maybe daghan shortcomings sa tong country. You must learn to forgive also tingali. There are people si Wesley So, di ba? One of the best chess players in the world is now carrying US flag. Maybe Jaja Santiago soon, one of our best volleyball players is gonna be a Japanese. Diba? But hopefully somehow, somewhere, someday, you'll learn to give back Japon sa atong flag. Na hopefully they'll, with their achievements, their victories, maybe even their earnings, they can start programs here in the Philippines. Diba? Give back lang na lang. Diba? Ay kalimtin yung pagka-Pilipino. Please, maybe you can sponsor, a grassroots level training for chess players, for golfers, for volleyball players. So, diba? Ay, kuhaan lang na ba na lang akong i-emphasize mo na even if di na sila Filipinos, they always say na we're still Filipinos sa ilang heart. But let the kuhaan sad dapat di lang na kuhaan ba, di lang na hindi lang na kuhaan pang showbiz na tubag. They have to put some skin in the game. Although that's just kuhaan na suggestion, not gonna force them. Pero mali, it's a great time to remember ng mga tao kasama bisag kita, even as the puny ones, the small ones, the mediocre ones. May we remember also that we're still also in our own way carrying the Philippine flag in our own way, di ba? Kita, we represent Philippines. Okay. Sa Mambaling. And we represent the Philippines, and we have to also do our best also, di ba? To put our country, help our country, promote our country. Na slowly but surely sa kita tinabangay lang ta ba na muna ba kanang when you see creators who make content about the Philippines, uban mo may unang manira noon sa mga, let's say, sa mga kananan na ba kitay una mo rag saway unsa pangitaag sayop makikita ana. But hopefully di na kuan suporta mo dapat kuan tabangay ta. Yes, our country is not perfect, but hey, kuan ba? Somehow we have our own luxuries and a great peace of mind. I think in general we're happier in a way, even with less. We know how to, make do with what we have, di ba? Di ba? Kaya mga ba, daghan kay mga tao diha materialistic kayo that you measure achievements with wealth and stuff. Di ba? Ito yun, daghan kayong mga wealthy lagi Pilipino nasa abroad, but hopefully, di ba, give back. Di ba? That's another way of helping our country, di ba? Imbis kita una manaway sa tong country, kita una mutabang when we have the means. And that's one ba? You have your own means. Mga gagmay na niya itong means. But, sarado man din eh. Diritas blaryo magi. May mga gagmay na means para nang nanatukuanan. Maybe this is a journey of rediscover nila nga niabot ta diri ron. So mga na. We're here at the Mahayahay Kakit Uno. Abot man ta diri sa Polarium sa Sabungan. Supremo 3 promotion. Tanaw din ang sabong po kon. Tao no? Ayos tong migo dia sa bungan dia. Pero mga gina. Bitaw Sunday, another Filipino trade na to. It's ka ng sabong. And I guess ngayon ang sa Sunday sa Dantana. Karoon na may online sabong gan, pero laban tayo. So now we're gonna be proud ng Pilipino ta, and hopefully kamusan proud yun mo na Pilipino mo. Ayaw mo unang-unag saway sa Pilipinas. Ay kita Pilipinas kung mahal ta. Ito sa Carlock ng nita. Ano ka naman, gugma ang Pilipinas. Di ba? Patod pa sa kakanta, piliin mo ang Pilipinas. Kaya kay e-bikes, mga mga tricycle. Pero muna, daghang salamat bay, and para din sa Polarium. Kaya ba din lingi ta kung sa mga kananan dress Polarium, pero ano ta dili. Pasil na ta, dong. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So, di ba, mga sa Pasil. So, na-event ng ano, di ba? Diri Cebu City Sports Institute. Tuyok ta. So, kung na-adre. Balik Miss Agi. Okay na. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you sa pohon sa itong mga naglag, drive, o uban pa. So, keep your ano lang ba? Pabilin na itong Filipino pride. Bye. Bye.